recording. Yes, it says you're recording. Oh my gosh, I look like a 90s baby. Oh shit. These hoops are a bit much. Let me take them out. So today I'm doing a video. Oh, this is so... Guys, can I just say how hard it is to talk to a camera? It is so hard. I'm only just getting used to it, and like my voice switches up all the time, so I'm sorry because I don't know who I am in front of the camera. But yes, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I take photos by myself. I'll show you my camera gear and then the tripod I use and how I set it up. If you follow me on Instagram, there's a bunch of photos that I take when I'm traveling, and normally all those photos I've taken myself using this exact same process. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So this is the tripod that I use. It's called the MeFoto Backpacker Air tripod, and the reason why I got it is because it's so small, but it extends pretty long and it's good for traveling. I just prop up my camera on the tripod and then I use the swivel head, which is super sturdy, to make a portrait. And it also comes with a phone holder, so you can mount this on top of the tripod if you want to take photos using your phone. And then it also comes with this Bluetooth remote controller. You can connect it to your iPhone really easily and then use this to take photos. So that's another option, but I do tend to use my camera. If I've got the camera gear, I might as well use it. So once I've got my camera and tripod set up, I then go to my camera and go to the application list. There are two specific applications that I can use to help take my photos. So the first app is called Time-Lapse app. Basically, I can just set it up to take photos every 3 seconds. But today I'm using the Smart Remote Embedded app. So using this, I can basically connect any type of like remote, and I use my phone, which is really cool. So the app I have on my phone is the Imaging Edge Mobile from Sony. It's made specifically for this purpose. I would just connect it to a new camera, scan the QR code, press join, and then I can see exactly what the camera is seeing. So I'm gonna go sit there. Yeah, so now I can see what the camera is seeing, and then I can take photos using my phone. And then it'll show me the photo. And then I also like to use the self timer just for 2 seconds. You can position yourself so that you can get the photo that you want, which is cool. So yeah, that's really my trick. In terms of cameras, I use the Sony a6500, and then I've just got my Sigma 16mm attached to it. This is a wide angle prime lens. I actually would normally use my zoom lens if it's like a close-up portrait photo, so I've got the 24-70 Sigma lens here. I will say though that a zoomed focal length is a lot more flattering to the face. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to take my first few photos just using this setting here. It's currently a cloudy day and the clouds are overcast, which can be good for photos because it diffuses the sunlight. Also, I just take photos for fun, so I'm definitely not a photographer. I don't claim to be, but it's a hobby that I really enjoy, so yeah. Alright, so this is my second outfit. So stupid. I'm like the worst at styling myself, so I just like the lazy look. Like I just like to be comfortable and then take photos like that, because that's me realistically. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this white background. Honestly, I don't have a lot of great areas in my house to take photos, so I just make do with what I can. So yeah. With this photo, I just want it to look like I'm taking a selfie in the mirror. So holding my phone like this, and it looks like I'm taking a photo with my phone. And then I also want to take just another photo just showing like the bokeh. So as I said earlier, I'm using my 16mm prime lens, and prime lenses are amazing for the blurriness. So as you can see, this is the foreground. Foreground is blurry, which is my hand, and then I'm not blurry. Oh well, I just like the depth of field. I like how it looks. So I'm gonna do those ones. Okay, so I just quickly changed. Oh, my hair looks disgusting now.
Disgusting!
What the heck is that? Oh, that's not happening. That's a no from me. Really. Ah! Utter. Oh my gosh, these pimples. Alright, that's just gonna have to do. I look like I have sideburns, but whatever, the sun's setting. Let's see what I can come up with. So since I'm going outside, I'm gonna get some sunnies. This is my, how cool is this? This is from Key. It's amazing, it's so good for traveling. It like holds all my glasses. I think I'm just gonna use these ones. Do you see those straps? The reason I have straps is because they're kids' shoes. And they say all day play at the bottom. All day play. Oh. Anyways. Outside wasn't working, so I've just put this on because I didn't like how the top looked. And then now I'm gonna take some photos in my car. So let's try it out. Oh, I need my car keys, silly. This is just my setup. I don't know what I'm actually doing here. That's my tripod. I've just got it set up there. And yeah, let's just see what I get. I definitely don't think I like this setup, but we'll see how it turns out post editing, but that's okay. So I'm now back in my office and into my comfy clothes. That whole process took like an hour to an hour 20 minutes, so not long at all considering the amount of photos I took. But I'm now going to import and edit my photos, which you've probably already seen, so I won't show that process. But the apps I do use are Photoshop and Lightroom on my laptop, mostly Lightroom. And then if I'm editing my photos on my phone, I like to use the app called Snapseed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed coming along taking photos with me. I'm definitely going to try to pump out a lot more content and get Utter involved because I think it would be fun to see us do like challenges and stuff. So hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you guys in the next one.